Hi guys, welcome back to the another India podcast, and this is going to be really interesting. I've got a big guy with me. His name is Kavin. Kavin is from Tamil Nadu, by the way. Currently based out of MT Ghaziabad. MT Ghaziabad, he's doing a BFSI program, which is specially designed for MBA finance kind of a thing, right?
Yes, sir.
And he has made it to Nestle. Big brand, by the way. But he has made it to Nestle, which is FMCG a big brand, but he's got into corporate finance.
Corporate finance.
Yeah. And the package is huge. Matlab, you can't even imagine that finance mein itna milta hai. So we will not disclose with the protocol. But I'm super duper happy to have you on board for this podcast. Yeah. How does it feel now, man?
The feeling is very elated. So actually, I have no words to explain after this placement. And I have to thank really IMT and my coach for it.
Right. See guys, IMT Ghaziabad is now turning out to be a hidden gem when it comes to MBA finance. Because corporate finance ka profile is one of the most sought after profile. And you know, the chartered accountants and CFAs, they want it desperately, to be very honest. But he has made it. And MBA finance walon ko bhi milta hai. So corporate finance is fantastic profile, by the way. एक question था मुझे जो पूछना था आपको. You are from Tamil Nadu, yes, and now you came to North.
Yeah.
That's bang on opposite.
Yeah.
How that to Ghaziabad? How this transition happened here?
Actually, after my CAT exams and PI and GD, I was going through list of colleges and all the programs that I've been seen, and I found that IMT has one unique program called Banking and Financial Service, where they have some linkage to VARC Business School, which is in Belgium. So the course structure is always like some of the faculties from VARC will come to IMT. They will visit here, the international faculty, and half of the course will be taught by them. So it really intrigued me, and I want to have that exposure of how the international faculties are still doing. So that's why
I can feel you. Yeah, I can definitely feel you, because you know, learning finance from international faculties is definitely cherry on the cake. Yeah, so nice.
Actually, I got a lot of different perspective. Before joining IMT, I always wanted to join finance. So I have some perspective about what is finance and what are all those. But after coming to and after getting exposure from international finance, oh my God, that really blew my mind, because it completely destroyed the perspective that I had. So it was really good to have that perspective.
Nice, fantastic. How is the peer group in IMT Ghaziabad for finance?
For finance, everyone is actually brilliant. I have to work hard to each and every marks, and everyone is really helpful, by the way. Everyone is from a diverse background. I am from south of India and from north, east, west, everyone. So I can get a more of a mixed knowledge from everyone, and that mixed knowledge is very important to get a overall the economic condition. So for finance, I think it's really must to have that mixed kind of conditions.
True that. And by the way, IMT Ghaziabad has been able to develop its financial infrastructure over a period of time. We are shooting this video inside the Bloomberg lab, and you know, a lot of colleges do have Bloomberg lab, no doubt about that, but they have 1 or 2 terminals. I can count here, they've got more than 10 terminals here. It's very costly, by the way. So they're putting in a lot of money, by the way. So my next question to you is, so there are a lot of kids, they want to do MBA finance. And as you know, that for MBA finance, there are very few colleges that you can actually count on your fingers. Why would you recommend them IMT Ghaziabad's BFSI program?
Yes, apart from the extra activities that they have, like Bloomberg labs and the curriculum that we have, which is a rigorous curriculum and which is an international par, we have a blend of teachers who are from both academic and they are from industry. So for example, my BFS chair is experienced person who is from 35 years of experience from HSBC. Wow. So when we get that much knowledge, 35 years of his knowledge, so that really helps. And it's quite beautiful in IMT, like most of the faculties from international or from the industry background. So I think that gives a IMT an edge in the finance. So
do you have your peer group coming from chartered accountancy, CFA, FRM background?
Yeah, true. Most of them have cleared CFAs. Maybe CFA level 3. I have 2 guys who have cleared CFA level 3, and a few guys from CA who did CA and CA internship.
Wow.
So we have a lot of mixed groups, and everyone has their own strength. Like say we have a person from science background too who's studying finance. So everyone brings in a different perspective. So that is what it's good about.
And by the way, you are an engineer.
Yeah, I'm an engineer.
He's an engineer and he's killing it in as MBA finance, right? And have you done any CFA or FRM, something like that?
No, not yet. Actually, I'm planning to do.
That's the major point. Like he's neither CFA nor FRM nor chartered accountant. Still, he's got one of the amazing, like the best placement on the campus. What's the secret? Like how do you? So there are students they are watching, right? They want to make it to corporate finance and IBs and all that. Now you have made it.
Yeah.
You've cracked it. Would love to know 2-3 pointers. When you tell me, Ketan sir, if anybody wants to crack these big companies and big packages and big profiles, they should be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things.
So first of all, the basics, like everyone misses out the basics in finance. So the basics, if you are very clear with the basics, then we are through in every company. So on the basics, and if a company comes to an interview, we need to know stuff about the company, what they are doing and their financials, balance sheet and everything. We have to be memorized while they are asking. So these are the few tricks that we can do to crack an interview. And for Nestle, actually they looked at my profile since I'm from BFAs and the international faculties. They taught me, and Nestle, which is in Switzerland, head office in Switzerland, and the Belgium Lyric School. So I gave a perspective of how Nestle in international things. So that helped me.
Awesome. So guys, in finance you will have to study a little bit, and finance is rigorous, no doubt about that.
It's very rigorous,
right?
And that too in IMT, it's quite rigorous with the batch.
But if you study very well, you'll make a lot of money. So if you respect, Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Lakshmi will take care of you, right? That's how it works, by the way. My final question to you would be: you are neither a CFA nor FRM, right? You've not done anything that sort.
Yeah.
What was that one thing that made you confident enough that okay, being an engineer, I will be able to do very well in MB Finance?
Actually, I'm a quite disciplined person myself, so I think that discipline has pushed me here, and I have made it through the overall the rigorous course, and I've been in the top of the course also.
Okay.
So that's the discipline is the main thing. I think it's pushed me.
My last question for the day.
Yes.
Do you believe that finance is boring or is it interesting?
No, finance is not at all a boring subject.
Do you guys get to play, get to party or something, or you work like
No. We party a lot. Actually, finance guys do party. No.
Your faculties will be watching this.
Actually, finance guys do party a lot. It's a myth out there that finance guys do not party. They'll always study, but we do party a lot.
Yeah, it's fun to do finance actually because it's so real,
It's real.
It's amazing. So. Thank you so much, Kevin. Thanks a lot for giving some time. And I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. God bless you, man. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys.